Nathan here from AutoFX, Tacoma, Washington. Just wanted to share our experience with 5-axis displays they made for us and the process it took. From the start to finish, it really went smoothly. Jody and his team had fast response times with design and CAD work. Also, the shipping was well thought out to make it easy for us to install the product without having a million pieces everywhere. They really blew away our expectations. Even better, we got great customer feedback from the displays looking amazing and easy to read, clear font. Also, the interaction part of it was really a game changer for us. We did a lot of wholesale work with the dealerships, didn't do much retail, but this really opened the door for us to experience a great transition as we now do 80% of our business retail with 20% being wholesale. Again, this is Nate from AutoFX, and if you're looking to update or optimize your storefront, I really recommend contacting the team at 5-axis.